Hello everyone, my name is Maria Adolfina. Today I would like to review an application that can be useful for second language learners. I think you're familiar with this application. It has black and green color on its logo. Can you guess what is it? Yes, you're right, the application is Spotify. The development of technology in this era providing various applications that can be useful for second language learners. We can learn in a fun and enjoying way. One of the alternative ways to learn English is by using Spotify. The app works by providing a lot of songs and podcasts that are various. Spotify, established in 2008, is one of the best music streaming industries. It is also one of the multimedia applications that can be used to teach listening. Based from a research paper by Claudius Bona from Politeknik Ubaya, Surabaya, Indonesia, we can know that using Spotify regularly can help students in their English listening course, and the use of Spotify in English listening class is also effective to develop their English skill. The reason why I choose Spotify is because I always listen to English song, and then sometimes I also listen to some podcasts, for example, Easy Stories in English and Adapt English. It's so fun to spend your time listening to Spotify. Using Spotify is so easy. We can open it in our smartphone, our laptop, our PC, or anything. But if you don't have enough memory, don't worry, you can also access Spotify from your browser or on the website. Just make your account by using your email or your Facebook account. After your account is done, you can see there are a lot of music provided there that are various with every genre. You can choose whatever song you like and just listen to it. Listening to a lot of English songs can improve your vocabulary. You can also read the lyrics on it. It's so cool, right? Not only can entertain you by listening to the songs, you can also learn a lot of knowledge by listening to podcasts. There are also a lot of podcasts which talk about anything, for example, education, politics, parenting, and so on. You can learn everything by your own self. The learners can practice and improve their listening skills. They can also control their own learning pace. This application is very useful not only for individual but also for large class. The teacher can combine this application by choosing a podcast depends on the topic that they will discuss. For example, we can choose a TED Talk podcast and make some questions based on the talk. Then we can ask the learners about it. We can check their listening and comprehension skills, and we can also make the learners practice their speaking skills by asking them some open-ended questions related to the topic. By using Spotify, the learners can set their own goals. There are a lot of podcasts which also includes the level of the learners, for example A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, or beginner, intermediate, and advanced. The learners can learn and choose the podcast by their own self and make the goals. Although the learners can't do self-assessment by using podcasts, but they can feel their English skills improve. The teacher can also observe the learner's strengths and weaknesses by providing some follow-up activity after listening section. Not only can improve learners' listening skills, it can also improve their vocabulary, reading skills by looking at the script, and also speaking skills, in case if they are imitating what they have listened. The learners can communicate which podcast that they are interested and share it to their friends. There is also a collaborative activity that can we do by using Spotify. As a teacher, we can ask our learners to make their own podcast, and in that podcast, they do with their group work, group mate. They have to distribute their role. Maybe there is someone who will be the MC, and the other students will be the speakers. They can make their podcast by using Anchor. Anchor is a sub app also provided by Spotify to make everyone can record their podcast and share it in Spotify. Anchor can be accessed by everyone although they are not in the same place. After their podcast done, they can upload it and connect the Anchor with Spotify to make sure their podcast can be accessed in the Spotify. Don't forget to make some hashtag to make it easier to be accessed. Using Spotify not use a lot of quota data. And if you want to use Spotify, make sure that you are connected to your internet connection. You can also listen to your Spotify if you have already downloaded the songs and the podcast that you want to listen, but you have to purchase some money to change your free account into premium account to get the download feature. So that's all from me. The reference of this video is from the research paper that I read and from my own experience. So that's all from me, and thank you.